Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucas Dantas here, and today's video I'm gonna talk about print on demand. This is a new topic that has been trending for a while, and I see a lot of drop shippers talking about print on demand. But this video is a little bit different because this is for business owners. This is for people who want to start selling online. You might have your own brand, you might not have your own brand, and if you'd like to start selling products online, you can follow this video, all the instructions, and you'll be able to generate your own physical products and be able to sell them online with or without a store. On Printify, that's our partner here today. On Printify, you can connect your store to eBay, Etsy, and other marketplaces. And you can also create your Shopify store, which is now $1 for 3 months. So for 3 months, you pay $3. That's insane. And you can set up your own store and start selling your own products now using Printify and Shopify. So to start here, I'm going to show all the items that you can add to your store while you are on this journey of selling products online. Here is all the accessories. If I click on catalog, I see featured products, print providers. So I see all of these items: men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, home and living, seasonal picks, bestsellers, new arrivals, eco-friendly, assembled in the US. So it's a lot of products that you are able to customize and start selling online. So if I click on see all men's clothing, look what I see here. I see t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeves, tank tops, sportswear, bottoms, swimwear, shoes. It's a lot of things, guys. And if I keep clicking here, you see there's a lot of things. The options are almost endless. I clicked on accessories. Look, face masks, phone cases, bags, socks, underwear, caps, baby accessories, mouse pads, pet products, kitchen accessories, car accessories, tech accessories, travel accessories, stationary accessories, and others. So your range of products, you have a wide variety of things that you can sell on your store. And you might be a restaurant, for example, so you want to sell caps, shirts, hoodies, you can do that. You might be, I don't know, you could be a vet and you sell pet products. So if I click on pet products, for example, you can sell all these things like pet hoodie, a pet bandana, a pet tank top, a dog collar. You can sell all these things on your veterinarian clinic. So there's a lot of things that you can sell based on the industry that you are. And by browsing here, you should be able to figure out a few things that could work for you. And with no further ado, I'm going to start by saying that print on demand is the best thing to start because first, there's no upfront cost. With $0, you can start selling online. Absolute $0. Unless you do Shopify, which in this case, you would pay $3 in the first 90 days, which is not a lot at all, guys. Not a lot at all. For you to pay $3 to set up your own online store and start selling without having to worry about, and this is the next thing I'm going to talk about. The second reason you should get into print on demand. You don't have to worry about shipping. They do everything for you. The client buys from your store, the order's automatically accepted, it goes to production, they deliver. You can set up an integration between your store, Printify in this case, and eBay. So when someone buys it from you, all the information, like the address, contact information, goes to Printify. They put the product in production and then they deliver. They send all the tracking information and then they send the delivery confirmation as well. So this is an opportunity that a lot of people are just not taking advantage of. And that's why I decided to create this video, because I started doing it. I had a few sales and I would like people to see these opportunities and take them, use them in their advantage. Let me open store right here. I have had a few sales lately. Let me see if it's going to show up here. So this is my marketing report. So it shows, yeah, the last 30 days, I've made some money. So this is roughly about like $200, which is not a lot, but it's a new store. And I just had 6 orders. And I hope that this keeps increasing. But at least I started. I've made some money. Not a lot, but it's the first step here. So I'm going to show you now how you can customize your product, how you can create your own product using Printify. So I'm opening here. So what should we create? Let me do a hat. I'm gonna create a hat. So I clicked on hat, and here I see all the types of hat I have available for me to customize. I'm going to choose this one, and I see it has different colors, and I can add my logo. So I'm gonna click on start designing. Actually, let me just go back here so you understand something. Sometimes when you have a product, you can have several providers. This one is just one. So here it shows me how much time it takes on production, sizes that they have, price, and also the colors. And if there were more providers, I would be able to see them on the list, and then you can choose based on their rating and also on their conditions. And you can pick them based on their ratings, on their pricing, on their shipping, on their shipping requirements, on their production time. So you can do all of that based on the information that you see here. In this case, we only have one, so I'm gonna click on Start Designing, and here I see how the cap is going to look like. Of course, this is only a mock-up, and I go to my library. I already have a few images here, so I can do this, I can add right here, put it right in the center, and then I can click on Preview to see how it's going to look like. Maybe this one, white one will look better. Let's see, there we go. And then we click on Preview. Yeah, this one's a lot better. I like this one better. See, and you can see how it looks like on people. There you go. So now you have to save the product. Here on this next screen, you can choose what is going to be the feature picture. And here in the section, you can choose what is going to be the feature picture, because this is the picture that's going to show up as the front cover of your product. You can specify this one, for example. You can choose this one. I think this one is better, so let's keep moving. And I think we only chose one color, but we can change that later. But what I want to show you guys is that you can customize the title, the description. I would advise to use ChatGPT to generate a good title, a good description. It's good to add this information here. A lot of people do look into it. What's the material, how to wash it, you know. So here says hand wash only. So these are things that are absolutely important to add to your description. Of course, you can add tags, and tags will help in a store like eBay or Etsy based on topics that you create your designs around, your products, so you can use the tags to make your items show up for more searches. Most important part is this one right here, which is the pricing that you can charge on each product. Here on pricing, you see what's the retail price, which means how much Printify is recommending you to sell this product for. Shows your profit, $7.74. Shows your profit margin, 40%, in the production cost, in the shipping cost. The retail price is the production cost plus the shipping cost, which are all fees that you won't have to pay. I mean, you pay when someone buys it from you. So you got an order of $19.35. You will get $7.74. And then the money that you got in the order will be automatically used to cover these fees. And if you would like to charge more, this is where I'm going to show you. You can click on the product, edit price, and here you can edit the price itself. You can edit the profit, and you can edit the profit margin. On that one, we saw 40%. Here you can type in 75%, and then you automatically change everything here. Now the retail price is $46. Your profit's $34. And of course, production costs and shipping costs won't change. And after that, all you have to do is to click on publish, and then you will be able to see the products on your store. And of course, if you would like to add your eBay store, you can click on add new store, and then you can click on eBay, and from there you can connect the store. Right now, what I have is on Etsy. So I have click on Etsy. I have all these products listed on Etsy, and I can come here and show a few orders I have had. I don't think I have had any orders from Print on Demand, but anyway, this is the way that I started selling online. But anyway, guys, the purpose of this video is to show opportunities that are out there, and Print on Demand is one of them. So if you are a business owner, if you would like to start selling online, Print on Demand is a path for you. And I advise you look into Printify or Printful. Both are providers of Print on Demand. You don't have to spend anything as upfront cost, and of course, they handle the shipping for you. So it's a very good opportunity. It's a hands-off work, because after you set up the products, you don't have to do anything else. You might update prices, you might update a few colors of products, sizes, but the work that you will have to do in a normal e-commerce, you get the order, you have to do the handling and shipping, go to the post office, send the package, or even just schedule a pickup. Those are all things that take time. You don't have to worry about that anymore if you start using Print on Demand. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have other videos about ManyChat. I have videos about Google local service ads. I have a lot of videos in this channel. So please subscribe and also enable the notifications so the next time there's a new video, you get notified automatically. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.